Hey everyone, how's it going? So on this video I'm going to be changing the key switch for the Laro. Now, unfortunately, this one is the previous owner lost the key for it, so luckily he left it in the on position. When I first bought it, that was a concern, not having a key, but done a few checks, it wasn't stolen. So the first thing I do is try to remove this. So I went to remove the bolts, and found this one was rounded out and this one was on its way out, so I can get this one out. I can undo this one, no problem, but this bottom one's going to be the issue. So I plan on doing, I just went and got some vice grips. I'm going to back it off and see if I can actually undo it using the vice grips. I'm really going to have to go. Oop. Normally I'll disconnect the battery, but I reckon I can sneak this through out the back without actually touching any terminals. Oh, nice. And you've got 4 bolts here holding it in place, so I can do those. Grab the new one, and it's just like for like, so normally if you've got a shocker memory like me, you either write it down which one goes where, or as you undo them you plug them in. Alright, give it a quick test, yep. Yep, happy there. Alright, put this cover back on. Probably a helpful hint for this one, wear gloves, you're going to get covered in grease and old oil and dirt. So wear practical wear gloves. So, got it back in place, we're going to stick it back, very carefully stick it back in. So normally I get 3 U bolts to put in here, because 2 of them weren't, or 1 of them was in terrible shape. 1 was okay and 1 was fine, but ideally I would have swapped them over, but due to all this social isolation and Australia's in a lockdown at the moment due to COVID-19, I want to limit how much I actually go out, and they won't be that hard to change later on. I'll just have to reuse and make do. Yeah, that gives it some sort of security. So the new lock's in place, job done. Not too hard. It's something a home handyman can do. Ideally disconnect the battery. It's only 12 volt, but you don't want to be popping fuses unnecessarily. I didn't do it because I'm lazy, and there's only 2 fuses on this bike, so it's not hard to find. Now I can park the bike and lock it. I'll be able to park it in when the apocalypse is over. I'll be able to park in shopping centres again. Already leave it at work, but my work is secured. Anyway, on that note, if this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next vid. So on Japanese bikes, they're a little bit easier. It's generally just a clip like this, and you can unbolt the ignition. It's normally found, it's probably hard to see because it's a bit dark, but there and there. Now bring the whole ignition out, unplug it, plug a new one in, and away you go.